Meaning of hormone replacement therapy.
Hormone replacement therapy.
Hormone replacement therapy.
Hormone replacement therapy.
Hormone replacement therapy. Hormone replacement therapy, HRT, is a type of medical treatment that involves taking hormones to replace the ones that the body no longer produces in sufficient amounts. HRT is commonly used to treat symptoms related to menopause, such as hot flashes, vaginal dryness, and mood swings. Estrogen and progesterone are the two main hormones used in HRT. These hormones can alleviate menopausal symptoms, as well as reduce the risk of osteoporosis and colorectal cancer. However, HRT may also have some potential risks, such as an increased risk of breast cancer, blood clots, stroke, and heart disease. Therefore, it's essential to weigh the benefits and risks of HRT carefully with your doctor before undergoing the treatment.